In this video, the wltoys goes to the moon!
Oh, on the nose!
In this video, we're going to take this wltoys, whatever it is, on the skate park. Oh. Taking it so far. What about flat out off of this bit here? Yeah, I guess this one. Yeah. Flat out off of there. It's weird, the cheapest RC seems to be the strongest at the moment.
Yeah.
What do you do? Oh my god!
Oh, on the nose!
Oh my god!
Oh, on the nose!
Oh! Broken! Oh, look! Split the chassis! Oh no! What happened?
You broke it.
Oh no! Broken chassis!
No! Didn't have the power to pull out
Oh.
this.
What happened?
I think Kev broke it.
Oh guys, a bit disappointed really. I should have really left it a little bit longer before I really aired it out, so it's only like a really short video. Subscribe! So yeah, what happened, it just went in for a nosedive and it just snapped the chassis, look. Snapped it clean here. It's all bent upwards, and what's happened, the motor come away from the mesh and now it's, look, it's all locked up solid. And by the looks of it, quite a lot's got to come off. I think you've got to strip the whole entire thing down to get a new chassis on there. So obviously all this has got to come off, all the suspension's got to come off. Yeah, pretty much everything's got to come off. But overall guys, I mean, this is probably one of the strongest RCs that I've ever played with. I mean, that was like a nasty landing. I mean, probably most things would have broken on that. I mean, I'm going to put a little link up here somewhere, where you can have a look at where I reviewed this thing. We really abused it. We chucked it off the roof, we crashed it, we bashed it. I mean, we really didn't go easy on this, and it actually took it. That was the first time I've ever broken it, and it was a nasty hit. So guys, I'm going to put a link to that card down below. I would still definitely recommend it, even with that breakage. I mean, I've broken the X-Max in half before, I've broken all the other cars before, and it doesn't mean they're bad, it's just, you know, if you crash something, you've got to kind of expect it. So guys, hope you liked the video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe, bell button, you know what you got to do. Bat.